Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change password on your Candy Crush Saga application. To change your password or your login password on Candy Crush Saga, first of all, make sure that you open your Candy Crush Saga application and sign in with the help of your King account. Remember to be signed in with King account first, and once you are done, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner or at the bottom left corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on My Account. Now if you're logged in with your King account for Candy Crush Saga, you should be able to see the Change Your Password button. Tap on it and enter your current King account's password on the next page. Make sure to enter your password correct. Finally, tap Submit. On the next page, create a new password and enter it in the first tab. Make sure to create a password that is strong and secure. After typing down the new password, re-enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, tap Change Password, and there you have successfully changed your Candy Crush Saga account's password in just a couple of steps. All you need to do is to make sure that you are using the King account to sign into Candy Crush Saga in order to be able to change your password. That's how it's super easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.